Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Player. Today I will tell you another nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Mint Mojito Mocktail. How to make that Mint Mojito Mocktail? First of all, just you can take a tall glass. You have to add some mint leaf and lemon wedges. Just muddle all the ingredients properly. Okay, you have to muddle all the ingredients properly. Then take another glass. Add lots of ice cube into the. Okay, then you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of lemon juice. Then you can add sugar syrup also. After that, you have to pour 20 to 30 ml of mint syrup, and you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of mint mojito syrup. Okay, after adding all the ingredients, just shake all the ingredients properly. For this mocktail, you shake all the ingredients properly. Then pour क्या होगा pencil. Then you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. Your mint mojito refreshment, you can garnish with mint leaf and lime slices. This is the very refreshment mocktail. You can try with the combination of mojito mint syrup and mint syrup, lime juice and soda. You can add little bit of sugar syrup. This is the refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is mint mojito mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. See that fancy plus mocktail. Yes, thank you.